This 2024 Newmar Ventana 4037 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Brighton Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, awning, slideout, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, self-contained, Colorado Detector, LP Detector, leveling jacks, stove top burner, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Ventana 4037 is built on a Spartan Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.